Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast showroom. My name is Sam, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of a 2021 Hot Wheels. Today we have the Toyota Land Cruiser. This is a new for 2021 model, even though it doesn't say it because it's on an international card. But this is the Toyota Land Cruiser in this nice blue color with a white top. And this is actually based off the FJ45 pickup truck. And it looks like a 60s model. I have another brand new one in the packaging. So this one's an opener. Hot Wheels Hot Truck Series number 3 of 10. 202 of 250 on the year. GRY93. And Hot Wheels Hot Trucks. Alright, let's get this open. That's what we're dealing with. FJ45 pickup. That's what it's based off of anyways. Oh man, I love this casting. I love this casting. Loving the blue color on this. And it's got gray BLOR wheels, off-road wheels. Got a little bit of like white paint flaw there. Here's the front of the vehicle, very nice. Got the painted details and the Toyota emblem right there. Well, no, not the emblem, it just says Toyota right there. And there's the winch in the front. Sick casting. Toyota FJ45 pickup truck. Interior, kind of hard to see the interior, but it's black interior with the windows down. Toyota on the back, tailgate closed. Nice classic design there. Interior, the black in there is plastic. All the blue and the white top is the die-cast part of this Toyota. And yeah, just a really nice casting. All the wheels spun well. It's a very good one indeed. GRY93 on the bottom, and you can tell it is the original one because this toy number listed right here and this toy number listed right here match. That means this is the first one of this casting. Very cool Toyota. Thanks for checking it out with me. Subscribe to the channel for more, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.